The Fafrees FM9 is built for riders who want a city e-bike that combines intelligent engineering, comfort, and elegant design to make everyday travel smoother and more enjoyable. At its core lies the advanced Bafang mid-drive motor with torque sensor, which delivers natural, responsive pedaling and maximizes energy efficiency. By working seamlessly with the bike's gears, it offers up to 65 Nm of torque, enough power to keep pace with city traffic, climb inclines effortlessly, and enjoy smooth, steady rides that feel intuitive and controlled. Whether commuting through busy streets or taking long leisure rides, the FM9 ensures pedaling feels natural, fluid, and efficient. Powering this performance is a 36V 15Ah integrated tube battery, carefully designed to blend seamlessly with the bike's frame. This removable and lockable battery not only provides convenience, but also extends the riding range up to 120 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to the synergy with the mid-drive motor's high efficiency. Its placement within the frame enhances the bike's sleek appearance without compromising comfort, ensuring you can travel longer distances confidently, whether for work, errands, or weekend explorations. For total visibility and control, the bike is equipped with a Bafang LCD display that pairs perfectly with the motor. High contrast and easy to read, even under bright sunlight, the screen presents key riding data like speed, distance, battery status, and assist level. With 5 support levels, riders can fine-tune how much power they want from the motor, adapting to road conditions and personal riding style with a single touch. Comfort and handling are enhanced by the hydraulic suspension fork with 63 mm travel distance and rebound speed adjustment. This allows you to fine-tune the ride, softening it for rougher roads or stiffening it for smoother surfaces, ensuring stability and comfort no matter where your journey takes you. Paired with KENDA 700C*45C tires, which feature excellent slip resistance and grip, the FM9 delivers confident control on both dry and wet surfaces, giving you a dependable ride through city streets, bike lanes, or park paths. The SHIMANO 7-speed gear system ensures smooth and precise shifting, keeping the drivetrain responsive and reliable over time. When it comes to safety, the Tektro mechanical disc brakes with 160 mm rotors provide consistent stopping power with excellent heat dissipation, offering reliable braking in sudden stops or downhill conditions. Practical details make the FM9 an even better everyday companion. STVZO-compliant bike lights with beam-focused lenses keep roads safer by preventing glare while providing strong illumination directly where you need it most. A rear cargo rack adds convenience for carrying groceries, bags, or even fitting a child seat, while the ergonomic leather saddle with strong steel rails ensures comfort during longer rides. The multi-angle adjustable handlebar stem allows you to customize your riding posture, whether upright for comfort or slightly forward for efficiency. With its thoughtful design, the Fafrees FM9 strikes the perfect balance between style, comfort, and performance. It's a city e-bike built for riders who want freedom and reliability in their daily journeys, with the versatility to handle longer rides with ease. From its intelligent Bafang motor system and long-range battery to its suspension, safety features, and ergonomic details, every element of the FM9 is crafted to elevate your riding experience, making every trip smoother, safer, and more enjoyable.